Hello everyone, Immortal here. Today, let's dive into our basic security tutorial. I hope we are all in good health. Today we will continue our basic security tutorial. Previously, we obtained information from a target using different tools. We learned how to use Multago for information gathering. Today, we will introduce a tool called HTTrack. This tool allows us to easily copy an entire website. You can download it here. First, you need to download it. There are various versions available for different operating systems, including Windows and Linux distributions like Debian, Gentoo, and Arch. If you are using Windows, you can download the appropriate version for your system. For this tutorial, we will use the Windows version. Just download and install it. Once the installation is complete, you can run HTTrack. Next, we will clone a website. For example, let's clone a simple site. We will save it to the default directory, which in Kali Linux is Home Kali Websites. Enter the URL of the site you want to clone. I will use a sample site for this demonstration. The process will start, and HTTrack will download the website content. HTTrack will copy all the data from the website. For example, if you clone examplestore.com, the cloned site will look exactly the same as the original. While we wait for the process to finish, once the download is complete, you can open the clone site in your browser. The clone site will be stored locally in the My Website folder. You can then upload this folder to your hosting service, and it will appear exactly like the original site. Please use this knowledge responsibly and only for educational purposes. Do not use it for illegal activities. If you like this video and want to watch more content related to Linux, cybersecurity, or ethical hacking, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.